Now here is the finished cut on the circular workpiece. This is aluminum, and I do it in this program, and the depth of cut is 0.22 millimeter. And this step is around 1.7 millimeter in diameter. That is, on one side is 0.8 something millimeter, and this length is total length is around 8 millimeter. And also manually surface cut 0.2 millimeter on the surface, and I see this finish is quite well, and there is no just one pass. There is no rising up on the each passes edges. And of course, finally I do some manually filing the edges. Then I measure the dimension. This caliper. This is the ray-char direction. You can see here is 13.05 or less than this. Anyway, it's something 0.005 or 64. And in this direction, it's almost the same. The increase of some little bit is due to the run out of the spindle. This spindle I have checked this day is 0. When I use the dial gauge here, there is 0.05, 0.04 millimeter in total indicate reading, so the comma will be larger. I haven't yet replaced a good bearing on here. And the collar I think is a good one, but and also the table of the spindle is also good. I think it's the bearing. Later on I will do the replacement. And for the depth, originally is 8 millimeter depth, but I do a 0.2 millimeter in surface here, so it should be 7.8, and I measured it is quite well for the depth. I position the caliper not very well, and also there is some chips on and there. It should be 7.8 something. I should take it out to check. It's 7.8 something. and the sound is not quite good during the machining. Firstly, the spindle bearing is not good. You can hear this. There's something wrong. I cannot open out the coil. Here, this coil is quite extraordinary. Why is so? Oh, here the sound is no good. Here's the bearing. Cover the y-axis is already cut, so it's just a dry run. There is no further cut here. You can see after the first cut, there is no further cut. That means it's quite good. Thank you for your watching.